Hi student, today again I am here with our next topic. It's our differential equation. Look up in our various relationship which occur in science and technology gives rise to uh, equations involving our rate of change there. Equations involving the rate of change in one variable with respect to another variable. If I am talking about the application of this differential equation, since our rate of change contains the derivative dy by dx, then it's having more application in our science and technology there in the field of whenever we are going to it's in our chemical reactions there. It's uses in our velocities and their in acceleration there. Then it's also used in our electricity and voltage problems, and also in our field of nuclear energy. If in simple word, what is our differential equation? Then we can define that a differential equation is an equation involving a function. What is differential equation? Is a differential equation is an equation involving a function and one or its more derivative. How can we define our differential equation? A differential equation is an equation containing a function and one or its more derivative. For example, what is our differential equation there? We have dy dx equal to minus 7x. If we take dy dx equal to minus 7x, then this is our differential equation. Also we can take dy dx equal to sin x. This is also represent our differential equation. If we take d2 by dx2 and minus dy dx plus 6y equal to 0. If we take our derivative d2 by dx minus minus dy dx plus 6y equal to 0, then this is also represent our differential equation. Means our differential equation is what? It's contain a function and its one derivative or its more derivative there. Then when we are going to explain our differential equation, then its first part is what is that you first of all in the differential equation there is two terms. Then we have to be well aware about in basic concept. First is we have to check the order and degree of our differential equation. There is two terms. What is the order of degree our differential equation? What is our degree of differential equation? Look, our differential equation is generally known as ordinary differential equation if there is only one variable there in one. It's in a one. If our function only one independent variable, our equation is called as what is called it? It's called our ordinary differential equation. Now we are going to be discuss our topic. Now we are aware that what is our differential equation. Now it's our first problem that. What is the order and degree of differential equation? How can we find out order? To find out the order of differential equation, we have to be check the highest derivative. We have to be check the highest derivative of. If we have any differential equation, then we are going to check its highest derivative. Look, in the first example, our derivative is only dy dx. It's our first order, then it's first order of a differential equation. Then its order is what? Highest derivative is 1. Then its order is 1. When we are going to find out degree of any differential equation, then to get degree, we have to check the exponent on the exponent value on the highest derivative on the highest derivative. Here we have discussed about two terms: order of differential equation and degree of differential equation. To get the order of differential equation, we have to be check that in whatever we have equation there. First of all, to check its higher order derivative. If we have dqy dx2 plus d2y dx dqy dy cube plus d2y dx2 plus dy dx plus y equal to 0, then it's in this equation the highest order is or it's a 3. Then order is what? 3. But to check out its degree there, we have to be check the exponent of the highest order derivative. What is the exponent of highest order derivative? This is our the exponent, the numerical value represent our degree of the equation. But the must thing is that you have to be noted that to find out degree, the must thing is that sometimes our degree is not defined. Such types of cases where our degree is not defined, our in our differential equation degree is not defined whenever our differential equation is not in the form of a polynomial there. Then please all of you have to be look at that. To find out degree, first of all you have to be check that the given differential equation is in the form of polynomial or not. What is in the form of polynomials? Because in the form of polynomials means whatever the order is there, the order of differential equation should be in a what? It's in a not in the form of any radicals there. It should be in our positive integers there. Then we have to be care about that. To find out our degree of any differential equation, first of all we have to be check that there is not any radicals on any derivative there. If there is any radicals on derivative there, and after then first of all we try to be remove that the radicals there. If we are not able to move radicals there, then in the cases our degree is not defined. Then you have to be take care about whenever you have to find out degree of differential equation. I am again revise you. What is our order of differential equation? Order of differential equation is the highest order derivative. What we have the differential equation there, we have to be check that which is the highest derivative is there. Then our highest order derivative represent the order of differential equation, and on the highest order derivative the highest exponent value is give the degree of our differential equation. And this both terms I am going to be explained by showing some examples with you, taking some differential equations, and then we are going to discuss what is their order and degree of differential equation one by one. Then look to clarify you, just I am going to take some examples there to clarify you what is its order and degree there. Just for example, find the order and degree of differential equation. We have to find here the order and degree of differential equation dy dx minus 4 dy dx minus 7x equal to 0. Now we have one of the example here. We have to find out its order and degree. We have to find out its order and degree of this differential equation. Now look, dy dx is our derivative, and it's there is a radicals in our derivative. Then first of all we are going to try to remove that given radicals, and now look, we can write down root dy dx is equal to 4 dy dx plus 7x. Now taking square of both sides, then what we have here dy dx in our left hand side. Here we get whole square of 4 dy dx plus 7x, then we get 16 dy dx whole square, a square plus b square 49x square plus 2ab 7 4 28 256 x and dy dx. Now look, now it's our equation is radical free there. Look, dy dx dy dx dy dx, the highest derivative is our dy dx. Then what is our order? This is first derivative, then order is our 1. Now look, what is about its degree? This is our highest order derivative dy dx, and the exponent value. What is our exponent value in this? Its exponent value is 2, and our degree is what? 2. And in this given example, our order of this differential equation is 1 and degree is 2. What is the order of highest order derivative is 1 and the highest positive integral exponent is 2. Then that's why in the problem what we have our order of the given differential equation is 1 and degree is our 2 there. Now take another example there. Look, what is given there in second example, we have to find the degree of differential equation there. To find out the degree of differential equation, what is given there? It's in equation, it's a 3 d2y dx2, 3 d2y dx2 is equal to 1 plus dy dx whole square to power 3 by 2. To power 3 by 2. Now, here we have to find out its degree there. The degree of differential equation. Then I am going to explain you its order as well as its degree there. Now look, its differential equation again 3 d2y dx2 1 plus dy dx. Sorry, I done some mistake there. dy dx. We have 1 plus dy dx, there is whole square and there is 3 by 2. Now look, in our right hand side, what we have in our right hand side, here is a 3 by 2. Again it's a 3 by 2 is a not a positive integer there. It's a 3 by 2, it's in the form of radicals there. Then what we have to do? First of all, we have to move this 3 by 2. How can we do? I am just going to be taking the square of both sides. Then after taking the square of both sides, we have here 9 d2y dx2 whole square, and our right hand side what we have? We have 1 plus dy dx whole square to the power 3. Now look, it's a dy dx, it's our d2 by dx2. This is our highest order derivative. Then order of this differential equation is what? Its order is what? This is second derivative, then its order is 2. Now in a highest order derivative, our highest exponent is what? It's a 2 there. Then the degree of this equation is what? And our degree is what? It's a 2. Then in given problem, what is our order is? Our order is 2, as well as our degree is also 2 there. Then again we take up some more examples to clarify your order and degree. Now look, find the order and degree of differential equation, and it's given by we have an equation. It's a rho is equal to one plus dy dx square to power 3 by 2, and in exponent we have d2 by dx2. Now look, first of all we have to be rearrange it, and again there is a one of the radical there 3 by 2, then we have to be solve it. Then it's rho d2y dx2 is equal to 1 plus dy dx whole square in power 3 by 2. Then what we do? We are going to taking the square of both sides. Then what we have? So rho square d2y dx2 whole square, and our right hand side just we have 1 plus dy dx whole square and 3. After taking the square root of both sides, now here we are able to find out order and derivative there. Look, what is order? Again in this format, our highest derivative is d2 by dx2, then its order is what? 2. What is its degree? Now degree of differential is what? On highest order derivative, the numeric value of exponent is gives its degree, then its degree is 2. Now what we get? We get in this given differential equation is of what? Its order is 2 and its degree is 2 there. Now look, in starting we have discussed that we have some problems there in which we have there is not a degree there. Then we are going to find out such example there to where our degree is not defined, where we cannot find out our degree there. Creating such example there. Now look, So we are going to take one of the example. Find the degree of differential equation. It's given by d2 by dx2, d2 by dx2 plus dy dx whole square. Look, it's given power 3 there, d2 by dx to the whole cube plus sin dy dx plus 1 equal to 0. Now look, we have to find here our degree of the differential equation. If we are going to talk about order, then we get order there. If somebody asks you what is the order of differential equation, then order is what? Highest order derivative is 2, then its order is 2. But if somebody asks you what is degree of this differential equation and your answer is about 3, that's a degree of this differential equation is 3, then this is your wrong answer. Why? Because look, it's a d2 by dx2 whole cube plus dy dx whole square, 3, 2, here 1, but it's a with sign, it's a sin dy dx. If it is like sin x into dy dx, then we can say that here degree is our defined there, but this sin dy dx, due to this sin dy dx, this is our differential equation is not form a polynomial there. That's why in this case, in this given problem, our order is 2, but our degree, what do we have to mention that since our differential equation is not form a polynomial, then its degree is not defined. Its degree is not defined because it's not in the form of polynomial. Our left hand side not making a polynomial there, and this is one of the example of having not degree defined here. Then we can look, we can also take one of the examples here when our degree is not defined. Take d2y dx2 plus 3 dy dx, 3 dy dx whole square plus equal to x square log of d2y dx2, log of d2y dx2. Now look, in this example, what we have a differential equation. Again, if somebody asks you what is the order of this differential equation, then again we have to find out that order is what? Its order is highest order derivative is 2. But again, whenever we are going to find out this degree, look, d2y dx2, we have dy dx, but here what we have, it's a log d2y dx. Our right hand side, the part of problem right hand side is not making this make to this differential equation as a polynomial. Since our differential equation is not form a polynomial, then in this case again our degree is not defined. Why? Because this is our log containing derivative log d2y dx2. It's not making our differential equation to form up in the form of a polynomial. That's why we are look in such types of example, our degree is not defined there. Then you have to be check that. So whenever you are going to find out our degree, first of all you have to be sure that the polynomial given polynomial should be in the form of a polynomial there. Now look, we have till now we have discussed our degree and order and degree of the polynomial. Look up, अब तक हम लोगों ने बेटा अभी अपने प्रॉब्लम्स की डिग्री और डिफरेंशियल की को देख लिया। हमने अब तक डिस्कस किया कि डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन की ऑर्डर और डिग्री क्या होती है। किसी भी गिवन डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन की जो हमारी ऑर्डर होती है उसकी हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव होती है। जो भी हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव होगा वही उसका ऑर्डर देगा, और हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव पे जो हमारा एक्सपोनेंट वैल्यू जो न्यूमेरिक उस हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव पर जो पावर होगा, जो न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू होगा जिसको हम एक्सपोनेंट बोलते हैं, वो उसकी डिग्री देगी। पर आपको डिग्री कभी कभी किसी भी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में आपको डिग्री नहीं मिलेगी, डिग्री डिफाइन नहीं होती है। वैसे केसेस में डिग्री डिफाइन नहीं होती है जहाँ पे आपका डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन पॉलिनोमियल फॉर्म न करे। जैसे एग्जांपल हमारे आपके सामने है जहाँ पे ये d2 dy dx है, बट हियर एक्स स्क्वायर लॉग उस केसेस में हमारा यहाँ पे डिग्री डिफाइन नहीं होगा। ये तो फर्स्ट पार्ट थी इस चैप्टर की। टिल नाउ वी द होल topic of differentiation defined in 3 sections there. First of all, it's a big problem based on our order and degree. Then we are going to formation of differential equation. We are discussed the techniques to how can we form our differential equation, and then the techniques to solving our differential equation. Then we have discussed our order and degree there. Now we are going to move to formation of differential equation. How can we form a differential equation there? Now look, to form a differential equation, if we have given any curves there and we have to form its differential equation there, we have to convert in its any curve in the its differential equation format. Then first of all, we have to see that number of arbitrary constant containing in the curve there. Look, for example, we have a curve y square equal to 4ax. Y square equal to 4ax. Look, what we see that we have there is only one parameter, one arbitrary constant a there. To make the differential equation of this curve, we have to be first of all we have to be differentiate one time this curve to remove our parameter a there. If look, we have any equation of type. There is look, we have one of the example y is equal to mx plus c. In this equation, what we see that we have two parameters there, m and c, which are arbitrary constant. Then to make a differential equation of the line y equal to mx plus c, we have to be differentiate this equation y equal to mx plus c two times to remove our arbitrary m and c there. I am just going to explain by showing you. For example, we have y square equal to 4ax. Now look, what is this? This is our right-handed open parabola, and we have to form up the differential equation of this curve y square equal to 4ax. We are going to form a differential equation of this curve. Now look, there is only one arbitrary constant a. Then to remove this, to move this parameter a, we have to be differentiate this curve one time. Then we are going to differentiating with respect to x. Then what we have here, we get 2 y dy dx and dx of x1. Then we get 4a. We have to be differentiated only one times. Now we have to move this arbitrary 4a. Then what we have to do? This is our 4a. To solve it, what we do? We are going to be putting the value of 4a in equation 1. From 1 and 2, we are going to put the value of 4a here. Now y square is equal to 4a. What is value of 4a? 2y dy dx x. This is our x. Now the differential equation of the curve y square 4x is given by y square minus 2xy dy dx equal to 0. Also can we write down this by in the form of y double dash minus 2xy y dash equal to 0. This is represent a differential equation. This is represent a differential equation of our family of parabola y square equal to 4x. It's a differential equation of family of parabola y square minus 2x y dash y prime equal to 0. This represent a differential equation of parabola. Now look, I'm just going to again take suppose we have to find out the differential equation of a straight line which passes through origin there. Look, suppose we have a curve y equal to mx. What is this y equal to mx? This is a equation of our straight line which passes through origin there. look, we have to form of the differential equation of this curve y equal to mx. Again, there is one arbitrary constant m there. Then what we have? We have to be differentiate it only one time. Then with differentiating with respect to x, what do we get? Dy dx is equal to m into radius of x is 1. Then now there is only one arbitrary there, then we have to be only differentiate one times. Now we are going to put in the value of m here 1 from 1 and 2, putting the value of m there, then what do we have? Y dy dx into x, or we can write down y is equal to x dy dx. This is represent what? This represent a family of straight line which passes through origin. This is differential equation of family of curves of a straight line which is passing through origin there. And then we have also can take the straight line curve which is passes not through origin. Just suppose look, we have an equation of type. Just suppose we are going to find out the equation of type. We have a curve y is equal to mx plus c. Now this is our standard line of equation there. Now we have to find out its differential equation format there. Then how can we find out its format? Here we take a look. Here we look our we have given m there and c. We have m and c, two arbitrary constants, two arbitrary parameters there. Then we have to be remove this. Then we are going to first of all differentiate it with respect to x. Now to find out differential equation, we have to be differentiate this two times because there are two parameters m and c. Then we have dy dx equal to mx because the derivative of constant is 0. Now again differentiate with respect to x. Now we are going to again differentiate with respect to x. Then what we have? d2y dx2 is equal to what? M. Now we get d2y dx equal to what? Sorry, first of all when we differentiate, we get here d2 dy dx is m there, and then again differentiate, we get 0. Now this is our second order derivative. This is d2y dx2 equal to 0. This is represent the differential equation of a line y equal to mx plus c having slope and our intercept is c there. This is our representing what is this is representing the family of straight line. You see a family of straight line. Now look, till now we have discussed how can we form a differential equation there. To form a differential equation, what we have to? We have to look at how many arbitrary constants or how many parameters are there in a given curve. If there are one parameter, then we have to differentiate our curve by one times. If there is two arbitrary constant, then we have to differentiate our curves two times. If there is three, then we have to differentiate three times. And then after that, we have to be substitute. You have to be remove our parameters from the given differential equation. Look, we can take one of the problem there. Suppose form the differential equation of representing the family of curves x square plus y square equal to a square by eliminating arbitrary constant a. Look, in the problem we have to given there we have to form a differential equation of a curve, and curve is given by family of curves. Curve is given by x square plus y square equal to a square. Obviously, this is our circle having center origin is center and radius is a. Now look, here is only one arbitrary constant a square. Then to form a differential equation, we just have to be differentiate it's a single time. Then on differentiating with respect to x, we have here 2x plus 2y dy dx, and being a square constant, this is our 0. Now this is a free of arbitrary constant, that's why taking out 2 common there, and now finally x plus y dy dx equal to 0. This gives our family of differential equation of family of curves. Now what do we have? X plus y also can be write down it's x plus y dash equal to 0. This is our differential equation of family of curves. Now look, this is enough for today class. Now what we discussed today? Today we have discussed our differential equations. We've seen its definition. Then after that we have discussed about its order and degree there. Then we have discussed how can we form our differential equation if there is arbitrary constants are given there. Then with some another problems with some another examples, I am come back tomorrow to clarify you next how can we form out our differential equation there. Thanking you.